about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
From mid-April to the end of May, Hakka villages all over Taiwan celebrate the annual Hakka Tung Blossom Festival. The event combines a reverent appreciation of nature with a celebration of the arts, centered, of course, around the beautiful tung blossoms. It's a great time for tourists to visit Hakka communities and gain a deeper understanding of local culture. A variety of events are held, including music concerts, dance performances, essay writing contests, photography competition, and more. This year, let the tung blossoms inspire you and join the celebration.
Yo, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
各位聽眾朋友，大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。現在是4月嘛，
錯啊，
春天慢慢這樣進入了，對不對？
對，
所以呢，也就是開花的時候了。
講到開花，我就想到我們開車在那個中山高速公路旁邊的時候，你有看到白茫茫的一片，對不對？對，那是油桐花。
Those are the tongue flowers. Okay, this is the season of a particular kind of flower that is very popular amongst the Hakka culture, and it's called the tongue flower. It's blossoming right now. 尤其到了5月，下个月会更丰盛了，对不对？
对啊，所以它又叫做捏蟹。
捏蟹 That's right. It's a different term for describing the tongue flower, which is called the snow of May, because that's exactly how it looks like. 就是白色一片那样子，好像还在下雪。
是啊，
但是我跟你讲，这个桐花有桐花季嘛？
对，就客委会它就规划了从北到南都有一系列的客家桐花季的發通。
客家桐花季 Okay, that is the Hakka Tongue Flower Blossom Festival. Okay, that happens all over the island. 其实从北到南到处都有一些表演性的，你刚刚讲是不是活动之类的？
对，超發通。
發通 Okay, that means activities, which probably includes a lot of music performances and dance performances. 應該跳舞啦，還有音樂方面的表演很多，對不對？
唱音樂啦，還有跳舞啊，就是舞蹈啊，還有一些攝影比賽，都攝影比賽。
對，這個時候趕快照相起來，
對，把那個瞬間的美把它給拍下來，保留起來。
So a lot of picture taking going on too. 攝影你說怎麼說？
攝影。
Okay, let's review some of these terms. 客家桐花季，
客家桐花季，
客家桐花季 and then music 音樂，
音樂
and then dancing 舞蹈，
跳舞
and some photo taking 攝影，
攝影。
And there you go. It's all about the festival that is going to be happening this month, next month, and go enjoy it. That does it for to talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只係張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.